class 5. I hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 14th of April 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of how we can add numbers which goes up to million. Isn't class? Isn't Josefa? Okay, so let's take an example. I have 3 space 925 125. This is the first number and the second number is 4012 space 131. And they want to add this number. So what would I do? Very good. First of all, I will give them its place value, which is ones, thousands and millions. So according to ones column, we have first number, which is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So 5 for upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 for lower. So in total we have class 6. Fine. Now moving towards next, which is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So 2 for upper and 3 for lower. So in total we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Next number, which is 1 for upper and 1 for lower. So in total I have 2. Okay. So this is how we can solve ones column. Addition of ones column. Now, if you look, there is a space which indicates next unit, which is thousand. So 5 plus 2. 5 for upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 for lower. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Fine class? Okay. Now next, which is 2 for upper and 1 for lower. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now next number, which is 9 plus 0, which is 9 in total. Isn't class? Fine. Now there is a space again which indicates next unit, which is millions. So 3 plus 4. So 3 indicates upper and 4 indicates lower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. 7 in total. So this is how we can solve addition of numbers which goes up to millions. Okay. Now 7 belongs to, in total we have 7,937,256. Isn't class? 7 is at million place, 937 is at thousand place and 256 is at ones place. So in total we can read the number as 7,937,256. Fine. Now let's move forward towards question number 5, which is write vertically and add. Fine. Write vertically and add. First part, 3 space 564 space 121 plus 2 space 4 73 space 5 numbers into vertical form and then add. So vertical, what is vertically? Vertically क्या होता है class? Column wise and horizontal means row wise. ठीक है? Column wise is vertically and row wise is horizontally. So first of all we will write these numbers into vertical form. First number, which is 3 space 564, 121, and the second number is 2 473 565 plus. Fine class, this is how we can write numbers into vertical form. Clear हो गया सबको? Okay. Now I will give them units according to international system. This belongs to 1, so I will write ones over there. This belongs to thousands, and this belongs to millions. Fine. Now I am going to start from this side, which is 1 plus 5. So 1 is 1 for upper and 5 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 6 in total. Isn't class? Okay. Now next number, which is 2 plus 6. 2 for upper and 6 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have 8 in total. Okay class? Now moving towards next, which is 1 for upper and 5 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5. In total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 in total. Fine class? 6 in total. Now moving towards next, which is 1000 column. So the first value of 1000 from the right side is 4 for upper and the second value for lower is 3. Now I am going to write 4 for upper and 3 for lower. So in total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. ठीक है? I will write 7 below 3. Now the next number, which is 6 for upper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 for lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. I have 2 digit number. Okay? जब मैंने इसको ऐड किया, so I have 2 digit number. So when we have 2 digit number, when we solve addition of numbers, so we just consider unit place and we have to write unit place is below 7 and the tens place, which is 1, has been written as carry. ठीक है? Which is at 5. Which is on 5. Okay. Now the next value, which is 5 plus 1, इसको भी हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे. So in total I have for upper 1 2 3 4 5 6 and for lower I have 1 2 3 4. 4. So in total class 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again 2 digit number. So I will consider the unit place and I will write below 4 0 as it is, and 1 is at the next unit which belongs to millions. Fine. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 2 3 4 and 2 for lower. So in total 1 2 3 4 5 can solve addition of numbers which goes up to million. Now I am going to read this number according to place value, which is 6 is at million place in total, 037 is at 1000 place in total, and 686 is at ones place in total. So I am going to read this value as 6 million because 6 is at million place. So I will read as 6 million 37,000 and 37,686. So this is how we can read addition of numbers which is in total. Okay? Now class, I am going to take another example. B part, 2 space 655 space 132 plus 2984 plus 34103. Now in this question we have 3 numbers. The first is this, the second is this, and the third is this. Isn't Josefa? Okay, now I am going to write first in vertically form. So vertically means like this, 2 space 655 space 132. Fine. Now the next number is 2 space 984. I am going to write from this side, which is 984 belongs to ones column. This belongs to ones, thousands and millions. 984 हो गया. Now 2. Okay. Now the next number, which is 34 space 103. So 103 is at ones place and 34 is at thousands place. Fine. Okay. Now I am going to start from this side. We have to add 3 numbers one by one. 3 plus 4. For upper I have 2. In middle I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and in lower I have 1, 2, 3. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total. Fine class? Now the next is 3, 4 upper, 8, 4 middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and nothing for lower. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 2-digit number. So as I told you class, when we have 2-digit number, so we just consider the unit place and we will write below 0, and the tens value, which is 1, we have to write is on next number, which is 1. Now the next number, which is 1 plus 1 is 2 for upper, 9 for middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 for lower. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 again. So 2 is at, I will write 2 below there and 1 as a carry. Fine? 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 for middle and 4 for lower. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 2-digit number. So I will write 2 below and 1 as a carry. Now for next value, which is 5 plus 1. 6 in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Fine class. For next, as you see class, we have no digit below there. So we can write 6 as it is and 2 as it is also. Fine. Now, this is how we can solve up to 3 numbers which goes up to millions. Now I am going to read this number in total, which is 2 belongs to million, 692 belongs to thousand, and 219 belongs to ones. So 2,692,000 and 219. Okay, 2,692,000 and 219. Now I am going to write in words. 2 millions 690,000, 92,000, 219. 2,692,219. This is how we can solve. This is how we can write into words. Now let's take another example. One space 030 499 plus 38 space 324 plus 5687. So first of all I am going to write in vertical form, which is 1 space 030 space 499. Okay, 499. The next value is 38,324. So 324 is at ones place. This is at thousand place. And this is at millions place. Okay. So 38 is at thousand place. Now the next number, which is 56. 687 is at ones place and thousand पे क्या है 5. थाउजेंड में क्या है क्लास हमारे पास 5. Now I am going to add these numbers. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 14 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is 11. I will write 1 below there and 2 as a carry. 9 plus 2 is 11, 12, 13, 13 plus 8 is 21. 2 as a carry. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 in total. 2 digits, so I will write 5 there and 1 as a carry. Okay. Now the next number, which is 1 plus 8, 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 digits, so I will write 4 below 5 and 1 as a carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 as it is and 1 as it is. So this is how we can write and solve numbers which goes up to million. Now I am going to read 1,74,511. So this is how class, this is all which is related to the lesson. Now if you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.